What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video, and we will show you how you can buy Bitcoin on Coinbase. So what we will do is go to coinbase.com, log into your account, and after that you will arrive at this homepage. So simply what we can do, we can click on buy crypto, but we also can click on buy and sell. Click on that button and the screen will appear. Now what you can do, you can click on buy if you want to buy Bitcoin. If you want to sell Bitcoin, you can click on sell. For now we click on buy. After that, you can fill in the amount of funds you want to use to buy the Bitcoin. After that, you can simply click on buy. For now, I don't have enough money on my Euro account, so basically I can't buy this, but if you have enough euros or dollars on your account, you simply can choose your wallet, your funds wallet, and then click on buy now. Then it will make a purchase and the Bitcoin will be purchased at the local price. So hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and we would love to see you in our next video. Cheers guys, bye bye.